On Fred, there are many ways you can customize your Fred graph. You can make both graph and line changes. To do this, click on the Edit Graph button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then click on the Format tab to see all of the changes you can make. The top half of this menu will show you changes you can make to your graph. Click on Graph Type to change your line graph to an area, bar, or scatter graph. To add or remove recession bars, click the checkbox to turn them off or on. In the width and height bars, you can change the pixel size of your graph. Where it says Log Scale Left, click on the checkbox to change the vertical axis to a log scale. You can decide if you want to show the titles by clicking on the titles you wish to display. You can also choose if you want to show or hide the hover box by clicking on the Tooltip checkbox. Lastly, you may customize your graph colors however you would like. The bottom half of the menu allows you to make changes to your line format. Click on Customize to open the settings. Click on the Line Style drop-down box to make your line solid, dash, dot, or dash dot. To adjust the line thickness, click on the Width box next to the line style. To change the mark type, click on the Mark Type drop-down box and choose from None, Circle, Square, Diamond, Triangle Up, or Triangle Down. You can also adjust the thickness of your mark in the Width drop-down next to Mark Type. You can also change the line color by clicking on Colors. Under Y-axis position, you can choose if the Y-axis is on the left or right side of the graph. Lastly, you can click on Move Up or Move Down to adjust the order in which lines appear on top of the graph. Now let's try customizing this graph. First, let's remove the title of this graph. Then let's change our line thickness to 5. Lastly, let's change the colors of our graph and our lines. Your graph will update with all formatting changes automatically. Now that you know how to format your graph in Fred, try making customizations on your own. Also, be sure to check out the Fred Help page to learn more about other useful tools and Fred. This can be found at fredhelp.stlouisfed.org.